if you like thrift hauls and you want to see what I picked up, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you that. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara, and if this is your first time here, this is a channel where I go thrift stores shopping, I do random DIY hacks, and then all kinds of other things that I feel like creating. So if any of those things sound interesting and something that you might like to join in and watch, please do subscribe because I release videos once a week. What is this video about? Thrift store shopping. Yes, so today I just wanted to share my thrift haul with you. It's actually from, I think, 4 different, it's from 4 different thrift stores over a 4-week period. I actually had a couple thrift stores that totally bombed. If I think about it, it's because I went to one of them too late in the day, so that's a thrift store hack. Don't go late in the afternoon, try to get there early in the morning. Yeah, so if you like thrift store videos and you love hauls, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you all the little treasures that I purchased. Never been to this one before, so checking out something new today. Seriously, this thrift store is massive. So big in here. That is so cute. I don't know how I'd reupholster it. Not very sturdy though. That's super cute. Alright, the thrift store. Here we go. Thanks so much for joining me on this little thrift journey, and I hope you enjoyed my scores as much as I did. I know I'm loving this little guy so much. Let me know in the comments, do you ever have like crap days at the thrift store as well? So yeah, you're not alone. I do, and it's okay. Thrifting's supposed to be fun and not serious. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.